Welcome back. Today we're opening a Jean-Paul Gaultier cologne. Here we have the cologne. Just like the other one, it comes with the for spraying. This perfume has stripes where you can see inside the bottle. This set includes a shower gel and a travel size cologne. This perfume starts with a notes of lavender and mint. The heart of this fragrance is vanilla. The scent settles into warm, deep notes of honey, cocoa bean, tobacco, which provides a long-lasting finish. Overall, this perfume is something I really recommend men to buy. And we also have the mini one of this perfume. And the other one I reviewed.